Righto. Sometimes you go searching for a waterfall and find nothing because it's the wrong time of year, but you're still in a rainforest. So even though the day doesn't pan out how you expected, there's always something to do. Beauty about a dry waterbed is if you walk up it long enough, you are literally walking places where no one ever goes. I'm probably about 2 kilometers from my bike. Just got to follow the rocks back. Check it out. It's pretty humid. This is the water course that's pretty much got nothing in it. I guess at the right time of year when the rains are here, all this would be flooded out. It goes down that way and goes sharply down that way, and then you got to do heaps of scrambling to get all the way back. Only an idiot would hike out here for nothing. However, that's exploring. Peace. On a side note, when walking in a riverbed that's normally flooded, even the biggest of boulders can move from stepping on them. And when you're off trail by yourself in the middle of butt, it's a bad idea to hurt, crush, twist an ankle or something. And something really big moving in the jungle over there. I don't think there's any tigers in Chiang Mai, but hopefully it's a monkey or a dog or whatever.